like for this video. Please guys, I am requesting you. I knew the English. I am studying in I am in class third D. Some mistakes in there. And please like and share, subscribe who is seeing the video.
అమృతాని కన్న తీయనంట కురిసేవాన చినుకులకి